Sarap talaga magkamay, no? Ang galing mo pala magluto.
Delish lang yan, pero American style. May tapa pa yan. Yung sa shoplifting.
Magkano utang mo rito?
2 months na akong hindi nakakabayad eh. $220 a month. O times 7 mo yon. Napakalaki, di ba?
Putyan, laki pala, ha? Kung gusto mo, ako na makipag-usap sa kasera mo.
Naku, makakaya mo yon? Impacta yun eh. Bruha pa yun eh. Naku. Naku. Yan na nga ba sinasabi ko eh. Speaking of the devil.
Get out of my way, Buster. Let me talk to her now that she's home. Listen, I have sent you 1, 2, 3 notices. What is this? I am getting tired. Look, you just stand there doing nothing, waiting for this and waiting for that, giving me all kinds of excuses. You better do something, sister, before I call the cops and get you kicked out. I hear a lot of people are waiting for this room, you know. I am sick and tired of all this messing around. Damn it, I'm sick and I'm tired. Where's the money?
So, you're the one I'm looking for.
And why?
You see, lady, I'm from the Department of Health and Welfare.
Huh?
And this young lady here lodged a complaint against you regarding your apartment. I just inspected this apartment, and I find it so dirty and unkempt. And when was the last time you summoned the exterminators? Huh? There are bugs and cockroaches around. In fact, I just saw a huge rat running around the house.
But, PX, I do. I take care of this place. She knows about it. I mean, I haven't done anything wrong. I think I do. Oh, please, sir, I'm thinking.
So, lady, I think you have a lot of things to explain. You are hereby summoned to come to the office to explain everything.
Oh, come on.
Will tomorrow be convenient for you, or would you rather talk to this lady nicely so she can drop her complaint?
Well, perhaps I can arrange something. PX, would you like to come to my place for some coffee?
Sure. Okay, Miss Pearson. Go ahead, I'll join you in a little while.
Okay, and bring this nice young gentleman with you.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but I got a lot of things to do in the office yet.
Well, I better be going now. I'll see you later. Bye, PX. Bye, sir.
O ano?
Paano mo nagawa lahat yun?
Ikaw na maging standby. Alam mo ba napanood ko na sa TV yan? Charlie's Angels?
Nonoy, anong gusto mong kapalit sa kabaitan mo? Kanina, sa laki ng problema ko, sabi ko, kumain lang ako. Pagpapalit ko ang sarili ko. Kanina pinakain mo ako. Kaya ito, kainin mo ko.
Ano palagay mo sa akin? Tumutulong na may hinihintay na kapalit. Hindi ganyan kababa ang pagkatao ko, PX. Pilipino ko.
You men are all alike! Shit.